YouTube? We back with another video today, man. And as you can see in front of me, we got the Dicer, the one and only tiniest mobile in San Jose.
Stop it.
Today we just got a little slight video, a little POV video. I like driving this car, so I was just like, you know what? Let's make a video today. If you guys seen my last POV video in the Camaro that I had, you guys would know where I'm at. So it was only right to come back to this spot. I don't like doing so much talking though, so make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. You already know what to do. So let's get straight into it. I would say fuck.
Okay.
I would say let me let you guys hear this cold start, but I already started the car. I had to drive over here from my crib, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can hear this warm start. Yo. Honestly, just like the last video, we really ain't got nowhere to go. So we just gonna be cruising and driving around. Oh, fuck. Sound good. Yeah. I ain't even put that bit in sport mode yet. That super track. Fuck it, I'm going. Put that bitch in sport real quick. God. Yo, this car is way faster than the Camaro. Like, yeah, I know it's a V8 and the Camaro was a V6, but holy shit, you can for sure tell the difference.
Man, no fucking shit.
Damn! I just put it in manual. Dirty ass 4x4. Wanna be track head. I probably downshifted that really wrong, but fuck it.
Shut your lame ass up, man.
Oh, I don't even have the starlights on. What am I doing? Shit. Oh, y'all, I actually just bought something, and it's coming, I want to say tomorrow or the next day, so stay tuned for that, because that's gonna make the interior look a lot better than it does now, especially at night. But I promise y'all, my car is not broken. I don't know what's wrong with my fuel cap, but that shit does not. I think I need to get a new one, because every time I get gas, maybe like A couple days later, the fucking check engine light turns on. And then a couple days later after that, this light turns on. That's how I know it's the fuel cap. There's nothing major, but like I don't want these lights on my car, you know what I mean? So I might go get a new fuel cap, or I don't know. I don't even know why it's doing that. Because the fucking cap looks fine. I don't even know how it's not going on correctly. I hear the click every time. Fuck it. I'll catch you guys when I find the freeway. Or when I get to the freeway, not find it. Because I know where I'm at. Y'all hear that? What is that sound? That car breaking down and shit. Or is that my car? No! Try to get a 60 to 100. Another one.
I'm still scratching off for the latest theme. I'm trying to get close to the God, I gotta whack the preach. I'm trying to show my young niggas the truth, I'm just preaching.
Fuck! I need to get over! Let me over! No! Oh, next second it is. God damn! Fucking ugly ass car. Move! Man, that motherfucker moving. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this, but me not talking at all. Just quiet. Silent. Shutting the fuck up. So let me know down in the comments if you guys want those type of videos. Ooh, I didn't like that. Fuck, I should have went. Look at that truck. Cause we didn't see no other Mopar or Camaros. Do not fuck with Mustangs. Fuck that. We ain't seen none. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Are we serious right now? Man, you wanna drive slow as shit too? Like, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? And we made the light. Mom, Dad, y'all watching this? I'm going the speed limit the whole time. Don't worry. This is a green screen. It's fake. Yo, all that driving, I'm at 64 miles already. We started with what, like 80 something? 90? What the fuck you doing? Oh, don't scrape. Oh, time to fill my baby up. Turn this up, yeah. Oh, yes. Alright, so that's probably gonna be the end of the video today. I told you it was nothing major, something slight. Just wanted to get a video out today. But y'all stay tuned, because I already told you in the video that I ordered something. So y'all stay tuned for this next video. It's gonna make the whole interior look a little better and not as dark. Also, I wanted to say is this channel ain't gonna be only car related, you know? Like, I'm gonna have some pranks, I'm gonna have some vlogs. It's just, I just got this car, so that's just, you know, getting me videos. Got a lot of videos I can do with this car. But yeah, man, I was just saying, this gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You already know them good things. Hit that post notification. We're on the road to 100 subs, so get me there. Please. Until next time, we out.
All my bitches shit, they know they can't stand me.
Broke nigga alert.
I'm in MIA with the bag like Jalen Ramsey.